个，来拍到我的脚，然后这辅音 repeat 啊。Hello guys, welcome to Xinhong's live stream. This is Bonnie. Nice to see you guys again. And today in our live stream, I'm going to introduce you some very beautiful machine and suitable for craft press. Okay. And if you are interested in heat press machine, our company we have been making heat press machine for over 20 years. So we have a majorly deal in heat press machine, mug heat press, cap heat press, and so on. So if you want one of the press, you can contact us, leave your comments in our live stream, and we will provide the right machine you may need. We have made a lot of live streams last few weeks, and I also introduced some nice heat press machine, some large heat press machine. So if you are interested in those, you can describe us, and you can find our live stream before and know more about us. So that's back to today's live stream. Now in the street, on the street, we can see a lot of craft stores, especially in some very beautiful invitations, So if you are interested, make some crafts for you, for your friends, or for your families as some gifts, or some souvenirs. You can use these machines. So let's see the first. So I will introduce you this 1, 2, 3, 3 machines, 3 machine models to you in today's live stream. So let's see this machine. So just in front of me, this is our mug press, and this one is very smart. We just made some updation on this press, so it will brings you more surprise and make your press process very quick and easy. So let's see this mug press. You can do sublimation on 11 ounce to 15 ounce mugs, and the mugs, the diameter should be around 80 to 85 millimeters. So at this range, you can press your mugs. by this press. So this press, you can see, its overall outlook is very fashionable, and the color white make it very beautiful. If you place it on your desk, and I think your friends, when you see it, it will be not strange in your house. And here, in this year, we made the updation on this machine is we add a display. So as you can see this display, it can show the temperature now. So and you can also control the temperature and the time through these simple keys. And in the old version, we didn't realize this. New version, you can use different temperature and time. Let's start this machine to see. Okay, long press the start key, and you can see the temperatures now. It is 45 Celsius, and it is keep increasing. So let's see how to set these key digits firstly. It's very easy. So after you open this machine, so can the camera see all the digits? Okay, here.
You can put it down. Yeah. Yeah, this should, yes.
We put it down just to show you guys the digits, okay? And here you can see the temperature is increasing. So we want to set the temperature and time. First, press the set key and you will see P1. This is for setting the temperature. So usually you can use 180 Celsius to 200 Celsius for sublimation. So let's adjust, and you can adjust the temperature by the left key and the right key. Long press to increase the speed. Okay, and the max temperature is 190 Celsius. And press again, you will enter P2. This is for the time. So for sublimation, you can use like 60 Celsius to 90 Celsius. It is enough. And today I will set it. So I 60. Okay. Like 70 Celsius, 70 seconds. Okay. And press again. Okay, let's see. And press again, you will back to the original page. And in this page, you can see the temperature now, and it is increased. So here we have a protection temperature. It is 100 Celsius. So you see, when it enters 100 Celsius, it will beep to allow you that you reach the protection temperature. And now, okay, let's put it straight. And now after it enters 100 Celsius, you can put your mark in the press. Okay, and press the left key or the right key to push the heating plate in or out. So when you press it, it will find a suitable pressure for the mark you put in. Okay, and it will increasing from 100 Celsius. So we set the temperature at 190 Celsius, right? So when it reach 100 Celsius, it will stop heating until you put a mark in, and it will keep increasing. When it reach the static temperature, it will come down automatically. So this is the machine, how the machine works. And after the countdown is over, the machine will auto open, so you don't need to worry about over application or worry about any heating problems. So because this machine is designed for craft lovers, you know, when we're in house, safety is the first. So auto open function is very important. And if you want to stop the heating, you can just press the left key to release, and then you can take this mark out. Let's see why we set the protection temperature. I think most of the press will have a protection temperature for you. It has many advantages. Like the first, when you set 100 protection temperature, so it won't cause accidents like you press. First one is to ensure the product life of this press. We don't recommend you put it here and heating very high without any mark in it, okay? Because without any mark, the heating plate, when it reach a very high temperature, you will burn itself, make this machine broken. So we make a protection temperature to remind you that you need to put something in it. And this is a good function, okay? And the second one is that the mug, it is cold, okay? And the heating plate is very hot. So once you put the mug in, the cold mug will absorb many heat from this. So the temperature may drops greatly once you put the mug in. So we need you to put the mug in previously, so it can absorb some heat, and when it do sublimation, you can keep it in a right temperature. Okay. So this is the protection temperature, the function of the protection temperature. One is for safe, and another one is for great outcome. And let's use this machine to do sublimation on a mug, and let's see the outcome of it. How does it perform? Okay, so let's see all the settings again. Here, the protection temperature is 100, so it stops here, and it will heat up until you put a mug in. And P1, we set 190 Celsius. P2, we set it 70 seconds. So here, and for do sublimation, you need to mark and the machine. Also, sublimation paper here, we have a design on it. Also this one, that's our assistant to stick the sublimation paper on the mug. You do it. Okay, like here, you will see it she's very professional, okay? And you can buy we have the high temperature with tape in our shop. You can also buy this from us. Okay, and thank you. And you see here, you should make sure firstly you need to stick the design on your mug very tightly, very fit, so you can make sure that you can make a complete design on the mug. Okay. So it is already reached the protection temperature, and you need to put the mug in. Okay, now the temperature is rising and until it reaches the setting temperature. 190, it will automatically come down. So during this time, you can do anything you want, and you don't need to worry about over application or the problem of fire. Just put it away and do some other things. It is very safe and good for craft lovers. So here, except for this model, we see it is you can put your mug in straightly here. So here, this one, we also have a mug press. You can put the mug in, lie down the mug and put in. So anyone is okay. We have two models. You can put the mug straight in, or you can put lie the mug down and thread it in. So these two press is at the same price. You can choose any one of it. And here, so during this time, we just put the machine here and just waiting, and we can introduce other machines for you. Like here, the camera can see here. Okay, see here clearly. Like this press. This press, it is a tumbler press. So I just introduced a mug press for mug volume from 11 ounce to 15 ounce. So if you have tumblers, the higher volume, like 20 ounce, 30 ounce, it is very big. Okay, so you need this one, and this one you can make the tumbler of street wall, and also you can make a tumbler of conic size. The recommended volume for this press is for mugs of 11 ounce, 15 ounce, 16 ounce, 20 ounce, 30 ounce, and so on. The max volume you can put in, the max volume of the mug you can put in is 30 ounce. So you see it is very big, big space left for the tumblers. And if you want to make conic, I will show you. This, we have two very long screws. So you can adjust the screws very easily, and you can shape the heating plate to make it fit your tumblers, conic tumblers. Okay. So can you see this shape? Yeah, the conic size. Okay, and after you adjust the right temperature or right size, this handle for you to press the mug. Okay. And here, that our assistant help us connect the power and functions the digits on the display. So for all our machine, it's very moderate price, I believe. So if you are interested, make some crafts, like for your friends, for your families, or you want to do small business, you can start from this machine, and it is very easy. And after your business grow, you can make bigger machine from our company. Okay. So here, you will hear the sound, okay? And the outside is not very hot, so you can move it. And now it is very hot, so we can't hold this mug out with your bare hand. So here. Okay, here we have the high temperature resist gloves. So I think you guys must be on this one if you want. Make some mugs with sublimation. Okay, so this can resist the very high temperature when you take the mug out. So here that's after you press one mark, now you can immediately press your second mark. Just put it in and press the left key, and it will keep heating. And when it reaches the set temperature, it will sublimation again. And when it ends, it will open automatically. So you can press, you can sublimation a lot of mugs in a very short time. Here, let's turn it off. Okay, long press to turn it off. And also this machine, it will auto off. Also, if you put it here and for a very long time not using, like 10 minutes, it will auto off, cut the power automatically. So this machine, so it can lengthen the product life of the machine and also protect your safety. So here we just we need to cool our design down, and we can to peel the tapes. Just do it now. Okay, my assistants will show how the outlook of the mug. The mug will just do sublimation. Okay. So to protect your safety, please wear your high temperature resist gloves. So here, just show the camera. Okay, you see very glitter color and very light. It's perfectly sublimation. Sublimation. Lovely, thank you. Okay, great. Okay, so here this tumbler press, you can do sublimation of mugs between the volume of 11 ounce to 30 ounce, very wide range. Okay, and let's see the digits, how to set it. It is also very easy. So here you can see Celsius and Fahrenheit. We support two different temperature units for you. Set key here, you will enter the setting. So now you can set the temperature for sublimation. And long press to increase the speed. Press again, you will enter PL. And PL, it is the lowest temperature, which means it is our protection temperature. So when I will adjust, usually we recommend you to adjust it to 100 Celsius. And so when it reaches to 100 Celsius, it will stop heating until you put the mug in. Okay. And press again, you will enter P2. This is for time. So, like I just introduced you guys, you can use like 60 seconds to 90 seconds. And press again, you will enter the original page. And this machine also, where you can change different temperature units from Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius. It's okay. And here you will see the heating sign. So with the heating sign light, it will keep heating. And under it, you will see a sound. Okay, this you can cancel the sound. And now you will see the beep. Okay, the beep means it reached the protection temperature. And now you can put your mug in. put your mark in here. So then we adjust the pressure knob to a right position here. So when you put the mark in and pressed, and you should wait until it reaches the protection temperature. And here we have a calm down key. So when it reaches the protection temperature and put in, you can press the calm down key. So here, press the calm down key, and now it will keep heating up. And when it reaches the setting temperature, it will automatically start its sublimation. And when it ends, this is manual, you know, this handle. So when the countdown is over, you need to manually release the handle and take the mark out. But don't worry, this machine will alarm you with a very long time beep. So it's very long and very big, enough to alarm you the countdown is over. Okay. And this tumbler press, we support different heating plates. So you can see these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 screws here. 8 screws here, you can screw it out, and you can change the heating plate for a smaller mark or for a longer mark. So I have just introduced 2 mark press for you, and they are very small, very light. Even this one, you look, it is big, right? But it is not heavy. It's about like 10 kilograms. Okay, so they are very easy to store and not very ugly, because the color and the design looks very professional. Okay. So if you are interested in this mark press, you can leave your comments or describe us, so you can see our following live stream and know more heat press machine you may interested. And also you can leave your comments, so if you are interested, so we will find you after our live stream and provide a very nice price for you. Here. So next, I want to introduce you guys the mini press. So some press for t-shirt. I just introduced some press for mugs. Let's see here, this guy. So this guy, it is a mini press. One of the mini press in our mini series. And this one, the heating plate is 9 inches by 9 inches. So it is enough for most of the designs. And this one, it is 2-in-1. So as you can see, it is 9 inches by 9 inches heat press. But if you want, here, if you want here, you can see a position for plug in. So this one, we prepare a separate mark. Separate the mark press. You can connect the mark press here, so you can do a mark press also by this machine. And this machine, this and the base, we sell them together. So you don't need to buy another base for this press. And when you use it, this press is a little, itself, it has like 5 kilograms or more. So when you press on your t-shirt, you just need to apply a little pressure on it, and it will provide you a very good result. And for the safety, I need to introduce you guys the base here. So this base, we leave enough room for the heating to spread out, like these grips. So this base is designed specially for the heat press. So you don't need to worry about overburnt or something, because the heating base, it can help you dissipate heat from these grips. And let's do some designs by this machine. And I think this is the best part you want to see in our live stream. Okay, plug it in here. So you see, now we connect it to the power, and here we have a little display, and you can see the temperature now and the seconds you are pressed. Okay. And when you want to set the temperature, press the temperature key, the first key, and the digits is flashing, so you can adjust it higher or lower. Here you can see on the key there is a plus and a decrease. Here, enter or increase it or decrease it. Okay, and then press again, so you will keep heating. And the second key is the increase key, as Ms. introduced. Okay, and the third key, this is for time. So this is for the pressing time, how much times you will press. And then the fourth key is the decrease key, we see. And the second one, this is timer. This is for if you start press, and you can press the timer key to calm down. Okay. The key. Okay, and the last key, as you can see, this is a shift from t-shirt to mugs. So I just introduced here, we have a position for a mug press to connect it in this press. So if you want to use the mug press, you can change the different mode here, the last key. So so let's do a t-shirt press, okay? For the temperature key, long press it, you can adjust Celsius and Fahrenheit. So I will use Celsius. Usually for DTF, so for t-shirt, we are going to make a DTF press. So for DTF press, we will use like 160 to 180 Celsius. And for like 20 seconds, it is okay. For 20 seconds. So first, I will set the temperature to 175. And for the timer, I will adjust it to 20 seconds. Okay. So now the digits, you can see it is increasing, and we need to wait a moment. And we can do some preparation here. So, can I have the t-shirt? Okay, thank you. This is a blank white t-shirt. Okay. And thank you. So first, I need to remind you that, like, if you want to do sublimation on t-shirt, I don't recommend the 100 pure 100 cotton material, because 100 cotton materials, if you do sublimation on 100% cotton material t-shirt, it will make the color very light. So the color won't very well transfer to a 100% cotton t-shirt. So like you need to choose some material of some polymeters, like so. But for DTF, it is okay. DTF, whatever material you use, you can make DTF on the t-shirt. Okay. Okay. Matt, can you please help me connect the power? Okay, thank you. And here, now, so now it already reached 160. And also, this press, almost all of our heat press, we have the same feature. The feature is that the machine will automatically cut off the power once, because for your safety, for your precision, I think for this very high temperature machine, leave it alone and not here. So here you will see, you will hear the beep sound. So means it is ready to press. And here. So you can put your t-shirt just on a foam pad or just on your desk. And here the DTF design, see? And apply the press on it.
This machine.
And you need to apply some pressure on it like this. Just a little pressure, because this machine itself, it has some, and here, once you press it in, you need to press the timer, so it begins to count down. The DTF film, we have cold peeling, and hot peeling. So these two different material DTF film means you need to wait some time after you press. Or if you are hot peeling, you can immediately peel the film. here, you see it is completely transferred. So you will see this little design here. This is the most difficult part, but this machine can make it very perfectly because each machine will have to do a lot of tests. So make sure from edge to edge, it will provide you even pressure and even heat distribution. So here, we also have this one. This one very cute, right? And this is also a press. We call it mini press. Yeah, very small, and it's like an iron machine. Okay, it's just like an iron machine. And then you buy it, you can not only make your DTF or sublimation. If you clean it very well, you can also use this mini press as the iron machine to iron the t-shirt, your husband t-shirt, or your own t-shirt to flat. And this mini press will also provide this space for you. So these grips can help the heat spread to the air quickly so it won't burn, not cause some dangerous smoking or something. Okay. And let me introduce this press briefly. So here you can see we have 3 lights here. So when I will connect it to power and you will see. No. Okay. So here, this mini press, you have 3 lights here. So it means the low temperature, middle temperature, and high temperature. So low temperature, it will provide. So once you press the start key, it will show you to choose 3 different temperatures. So the low temperature is 125 to 145. So if you need that temperature, you can press the start key and until it stays here. And the middle temperature, it is 150 Celsius to 160 Celsius. So if you need the middle temperature, you can press the set key and stay here. And the last, the high temperature, it is 170 Celsius to 180 Celsius. It is a really high temperatures now. So if you make sublimation or you make DTF, you can always choose high temperature. So it is very easy. You just press here. We just have one key for you to control, and you can solve all the problems. So the light, we have a green light and a red light. So red light means it is still heating up. So when the light turns green, it means you can start use this press now. Just this press, very small. Okay. And it is also very easy to handle. You can see I can put my 4 fingers in it here. Also this one, the handle will leave a 5 inches wide space for you. So if you are a man or a woman, I think this one is enough to handle. And this one is also. So in today's live stream, I have introduced you guys many of our machines, and this machine they are for craft. They are for craft business. Like we recommend this craft for a beginner who want to start their business, small business, family business, and you can use these craft styles. They are very small, but they are very powerful. And for this craft, I also recommend some people like if you are interested in craft lovers. You know, I am a craft lover also. I love these DIY crafts. So you can press all your design, all your favorite cartoon features, or your words you like on your t-shirt, or make it live on the mugs. So when you own this craft machine, you can make many gifts for you or for your friends, families. If you are interested in buying this, you can leave your comments in our live stream, and our sales will contact you after the live stream. At this price, I think they are all in very moderate price, so you don't need to worry about it. So see you next time. Bye bye.